Hi guys, my name is Hay from Campus Tutorials, and I go by the name of Pantone, and this is a semi-quick tutorial to show you how to get coordinates in Photoshop. We have a tutorial up that's similar to this, but this tutorial in particular is a follow-up to our Gimp tutorial for using the magic wand and shrink tool in Gimp. We are going to be using the magic wand tool and the contract tool. Also, this is going to kind of serve as an updated how to find coordinates. The two main panels you're going to need, actually the one main panel you're going to need is the info panel. So without further ado, let's get started. So on our layout, I'm going to want this to be where my text goes, so I'm going to use my magic wand and click it. I'm going to go up to selection at the top, or select rather. Go to modify, go to contract, and I want to put a buffer of about 5 pixels all the way around, because you don't want your text to go all the way to the top, and you do not want your scroll bar to be on the outside of the box. So, to keep it aesthetically pleasing, I'm going to put kind of a buffer all the way around. Doing that gives us a little bit more room to breathe around that text. So, to get the coordinates, you're going to use your info panel for the width and the height. So the width is 135 and the height is 265. It'll show up in your info panel. If you don't have your info panel, you can go to Window and go to Info, or you can hit F8 if your hotkeys are still set up to default. Then to find your coordinates, your X and Y coordinates, which would be your X would be your left and your Y would be your top. You're going to do Control T to activate the transform tool, or you could probably go to image transform or free transform, and up in the top left it says 3.72.5 pixels by 297.5. So essentially 373 by 298. Those would be your X and Y coordinates. So hopefully this is kind of a method that can help speed up layout, coding, and layout preparation, because I know that in GIMP it's very simple to find the coordinates. It's all right there in a panel for you. However, I have not found a streamlined way to see everything in one panel other than the info panel, but it doesn't quite show you the correct X and Y coordinates. So for now, this is our follow-up to our GIMP tutorial. I am in Photoshop Creative Cloud, which, if you're wondering what the version is, I'm sure that actually I'm 100% sure that at least in CS5, at the very least, it is the exact same. The selection tools are the same, and you still have the panels. So, let us know in the comments if you are a GIMP user or a Photoshop user. I'm also going to link the GIMP video in the comments so that you might be able to see which would be easier for you, which would be a lot faster for your layout production. I know first-handedly that I use Photoshop a lot more than I do GIMP, so that's why I wanted to make a dual tutorial for kind of the same effect, but done in both programs. So, leave any questions down below, let us know which program you use, and thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next tutorial.